Hello, so I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to draw furries like my character, which I'm using now, Sapphire. So I'm gonna go into Ibis Paint X for this. So yeah. Okay, so first you wanna ask yourself, what animal is the furry gonna be? So, a fox, cat, wolf, dragon, bat, or rabbit. I find that these are the only kinds of animals I can really draw. So yeah. Then the next thing you need to figure out is what gender you want that character to be. Yeah, because that can just help sometimes. Then you want to figure out a color scheme for the character. So what kind of colors you want? Do you want dark colors, light colors? And then, like, do you want it blues, greens, pinks, or something, or stuff like that? Then you want to ask yourself, what name do I want this character to have? Because sometimes the name can help you figure out traits for that character. So then if you plan out how you want the character to look in your head, you can just go ahead and try and draw it out. So I just put a speed paint of me drawing my OC Sapphire. So here you go.